Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to boost your posts on LinkedIn. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official linkedin.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the homepage of LinkedIn, where you can see all the posts by people you follow. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we want to boost our post on our page. So guys, the first thing we have to do is to be logged in like a page and not like a user. So after you are logged in like a page and you can then go ahead and post items, and as you can see I have posted something right here. So you can see here is my post. So guys, if your post is eligible for a boost, if it meets all the requirements, and if you're a page, then you will go ahead and be able to press the three dots right here in the upper right corner of your post, and one of the options right here is going to go ahead and be called boost. As you can see, I currently do not have the boost option because I do not meet all the requirements, but guys, if your post is eligible for boost, the option is going to go ahead and appear right here, so just go ahead and click on it and you'll be able to boost it. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.